Hello. Where is the camera? Hello. I am Dr. Kavorsky. It is my pleasure to finally meet in person after our many email and phone conversations.
Kevin Rudolph. I am pleased to have you in my presence as well.
How's it going?
Great. Just got off the farm tending to our new experiments. I tell you, this business will one day be bigger than Facebook. Ha 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 ha. Was that funny or what? Ha 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 ha. Woo. Woo. Party.
Ha 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 ha. Good one, Kevin.
Thanks, broski.
You are a character, my friend. Now, let's get down to business.
Sounds good.
What do you have for me today?
I have been preparing a group of bacteria-free pigs. All I feed them is organic foods that do not contain any waste. Also, the human stem cells you inserted into them as they were fetuses have not been affecting my pigs any. I have them tested for disease periodically too. I believe they are ready to be harvested and be introduced into the field.
Oh, really?
You got it, Doc.
More. Tell me more.
Well, I am willing to sacrifice my whole herd of pigs, as long as the pay is sufficient to make up for the cost of the rest of the meat. I have a family to feed.
If the United States government would see the advantages in having us growing organs in pigs, and not people, I am sure it would be a booming business. When it comes to the pay, man, you would want to raise more pigs. This could be a world-changing movement.
Yes. That is what I want to hear. Do you think there will be many obstacles in our way?
With every new thing comes controversy. What we have to persuade the government is how we will go about explaining if this is ethical or not.
I see. How can we do that?
Well, my goal for the future is for us to be able to grow human organs inside of the pig. This may sound crazy, but current research shows that it is possible.
Dude, you told me already on the phone. Why do you think I am here?
Just listen.
Okay.
Finally. Now, with growing human organs inside your pigs, this creates many useful organs for the donor who is in need of the transplant. Just imagine how this would shorten those very long waiting lists for donor organs. For the hospitals, more money will be being made and more people will be being saved. Where the key lies is with you. Your controlled environment for raising these pigs helps us. Although we still perform numerous tests before we will consider extracting the organ and implanting it into a human, the precautionary steps you take by caring and providing a clean environment, basically 100% sterile pigs, this really helps the scientists and doctors' research. I really appreciate you for your cooperation.
Thank you, Doctor.
No. Thank you. I thought we are doing the tests and procedures. It starts with you.
I am sick and tired of all the mother snakes on this mother plane.
Stop with your jokes. For the last time. Gosh.
Sorry for that. Samuel Jackson. Well, he good.
You idiot. Focus.
Okay, let's get serious. So do you think we should start promoting the creation of genetically modified species?
No doubt. We should promote genetically altered species. This could be a world-changing epidemic. These animals are going to be very sterile and are going to be in no risk of disease. You could say these animals would be nearly perfect.
So, if we were to grow human organs in a pig, would you consider the pig a human?
Great question. When you insert the human stem cells into a pig, for example, that animal is still a pig.
But that animal has human organs. Possibly a human brain, which would sort of make it as intelligent as a human. Right?
You could be right. Does that pig have opposable thumbs? Does that pig function as a body as we humans function? The answer is no.
Well, what defines a human if this pig has human parts? Wouldn't it be considered human?
You have great points, but that question is an entirely different research subject. Now say you were burned in a house fire and your skin was completely burned off. What if pig skin was just like human skin and it would work for your skin transplant? Now you have 100% pig skin on your body. Are you a pig?
No, I am not a pig. I am still a human.
But you look like a pig.
Well, That's a good way to put it, I guess. I understand it now.
Exactly. So I do not see any reason to oppose of growing human organs in animals. It will help this world in many ways, and we can actually save more people. Many people die every year because they cannot get an organ transplant because there are not compatible organs available for them. This does not include the people who cannot afford it.
Well, tell me this. At what point is that line crossed? Let's say someone needed a brain transplant and we grew that brain in a pig. Now the pig has the intelligence of a human. Is that pig considered a human? If so, wouldn't it be very unethical to kill this pig human for the brain?
Yes, that would be unethical, but as I previously said, this issue is for another subject.
Oh, okay.
This process is going to be a long one, but we have to start somewhere. Once we get more and more people to follow us and understand the entire process, we can begin a booming company that would be talked about for decades.
Thanks. I am glad that I got a chance to speak with you today. It has opened up my mind a lot.
I knew it would. See, you just have to understand it in order to get a grasp of the ethics behind it.
Thanks, Dr. Kowarski. Maybe when I get in bad health, we can grow me a nice set of organs and help me out. Ha 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 ha.
Ha 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 ha, sounds like a plan.